except the penultimate wells, which we fill with 1x PBS buffer, so put this well as a buffer too. After that, change the sample ID accordingly. It will be convenient for us to record. For A3 through H3, the sample ID is PBS buffer. For A2 through H2, the sample ID is the lot number of the biotinylated human FcRn protein. Concentration is 2 microgram per milliliter. From A4 through H4, the sample ID is Herceptin. Molecular weight is 150 kilodaltons. Change the starting value to 150 micrograms per milliliter. We can see its corresponding molar concentration showing up on the table. For H4, please remember to change to the highest level dose. We have one more step. We call it the assay definition. Some of the steps, such as association, dissociation, baseline, and loading, need to add. All steps, shaking speed should be set to 1000 RPM. Other steps set the time to 60 seconds. For the loading step, time set is 600 seconds. Set the threshold to 3 nanometers, and make sure the step is terminated when the threshold is achieved on any one channel. Now we have to tell the instrument what the first step is. The first step is the baseline. The second step is the loading. Then the third step is baseline once again. The next step is association, and the last step is dissociation. I put the sensors at the first column in the sensor compartment. The next step is to review the experiment. So run the experiment where exactly you want to store the data, and give this experiment a name. As sensors are not pre-wet, we can tell the software to delay for 600 seconds. Set sample plate temperature at 30 degrees. Now, go for the experiment. The first step is baseline. The second step is called loading. Then, the third step is baseline 2. Weakly bound substances get washed off here. Next step is the association step. This is where the Herceptin monoclonal antibodies will bind to the ligand. And the last step is dissociation. The biosensor is moved back to the wells which contains a buffer. Analyte will dissociate from the ligand and we can generate the dissociation curve. Now, since acquisition is done, it's time to go for the data analysis. There's a folder here. Double-click on this. A new page will open. Go to Processing here. In the Processing tab, you will see the raw data, subtracting one of the columns with 0 concentration. Then, align y-axis to make the baseline. Set up time range from 55 seconds to 59 seconds. Now, go for the process data. In the analysis part, we have 6 data points. To calculate the rate constants,